Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to download or install WhatsApp in your laptop or PCs. Without wasting time, let's start this video. First of all, you need to connect to a internet or Wi-Fi. Then, I'm going to show you that in my PC, there is no WhatsApp application downloaded. I have not downloaded the WhatsApp first. I'll show you in live process. Click Windows S and I am searching WhatsApp. So there is no any folder or install application for WhatsApp. To solve this problem, let's download the WhatsApp. Search Microsoft Store. Click enter. At the top, search WhatsApp. Type WhatsApp. Click enter. Then go to the first one. Click there. Here is the version of WhatsApp. You can download this. Click install. It's getting ready. As an advice, please connect to a Wi-Fi that is good. If your Wi-Fi or internet is bad, it's going to take much more longer time. It is going to finish. I have finished the download. Here you can find WhatsApp. I have installed it. Go to open. Go to get started. And in the screen you will see a option to scan. You need to scan from your mobile phone. Here is the screen of my mobile phone. First, go to WhatsApp. Click the three dots. Then click link device. Again, click to link a device. Click use mobile data. In few seconds, your phone is going to start scanning. So bring the camera to the PC's screen, scan it, and it will start logging in. After a few seconds, go to the PC screen and the use of mobile is done. Keep your mobile away and go to the PC screen. It will take some time. I have got this option because I did not set my time properly. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment. So, I have WhatsApp in my computer. I can open it easily. In the end of the video, I'll teach you how to keep the WhatsApp in your taskbar so you can open it quickly without having any tension. So I'm just checking that my WhatsApp is working or not. It is working properly. Here I did not have WhatsApp in my taskbar. It has two options. If you click there, go to more, then you will find option pin to taskbar, and you can see there is WhatsApp. At last, our work is done. So, friends, if my video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.